Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2016 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew cab pickup. On the outside of the F-150, you have trailer sway controls, a rear step bumper, and fully automatic headlights. Inside, you have spacious cloth seating for 5, remote keyless entry, and illuminated entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with voice-activated navigation and has Bluetooth technology. This 2016 Ford F-150 has less than 135,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive.